Hello everybody and welcome back to another episode of Fuel the Adrenaline Outdoors. My name is Dustin Shaffer and today is the 2024 youth turkey season here in Pennsylvania. We are headed to go pick a Garret up. Garret hunted with me last year. We did the Nancy's Vision youth turkey hunt and that's what we're looking to do again today. Hopefully, last year he ended up missing a bird. So hopefully this year we end up getting them on one. We roosted, I'd say there were probably 6 or 7 different birds last night in this section. We got there about an hour before dark. We know they're gonna be somewhere close in the area. Then we got another couple backup spots that we know there's birds. So that's definitely an option when we get going. Super excited for this year. It'll be our first day out in the PA turkey woods, so super excited to see what the season brings us, and we'll be with you as soon as we pick Garret up, and then we're going to see Noah. Noah's coming with us today to video and see what we can get on camera for you guys, so we'll be back with you soon here.
Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, don't know if you can hear us or not, but we got to our spot here. We got Dustin. Where's Garret? There he is. There's Garret. The neighbor's dog is barking, but that's okay. We're gonna get in here, get set up, and we're gonna get on some birds. What do you think, boys? Hopefully I'm done. All right. Alrighty, everyone. Garret and I just got set up. We got birds like, what would you say, 30, 40 yards that way? Yeah. 30, 40 yards gobbling like crazy. Dustin's in front of us putting the decoys out. Hopefully we could connect here. Fingers crossed, baby. Garret, what do you see? We got total fanned up right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now just on fans of 6. Another 5 hens and a couple random chicks. How far out are they? 150 yards. 150? Okay. We gotta get them in, boys. It's kind of tough. They're all henned up, but little update, folks. These birds are being a little hard on us this morning. The cows are singing. How far are they away, Garret? Maybe 100 yards. So they're 100 right now. They're just kind of doing circles. Coming up to the wood line. Hanging out in the backyard there. So hopefully they get bored and work their way over our way.
we had the video of them coming in, and this one actually appeared like right on top of us. There was a bigger one with them. Didn't get a good look at him or a good shot either, and this guy was right behind him. Had to get it done on one bird today.
Ended up being a really cool hunt. Garrett and I have been trying here for the past 2 years. Last year we had a bird come in, was a little bit further than what we would have liked. Took a crack at him, but ended up missing him. So this was a really cool redemption bird. You did awesome. I'm really glad we got to go again. He's a nice bird. Your biggest one too, right?
Yeah.
Awesome job, Garrett. This is actually my second year ever turkey hunting, and I was fortunate enough to go out with Dustin and his cousin here, learning a lot here. And you know, today was an unforgettable hunt in my book. I will never forget this day. We had birds on top of us, we had birds below us. Dustin had a bird 2 yards from him. It was unbelievable. But congratulations, Garrett.
Thank you.
Awesome job, great work, men.
Hey, thanks for putting us on birds, buddy.
Absolutely.
Now we're gonna go take this bird up to the Nancy's Vision Youth Turkey Hunt. It's the 3rd annual turkey hunt up at Outdoor Insiders up in New Milford. So we're gonna get him all checked in up there. Super excited to see all the kids come in with a ton of different birds. Last year, I think they brought in just shy of 50 birds for 200 kids.
Wow, that's great.
So I can't wait to see what the event is this year. It's getting bigger and bigger. Super duper cool event. If you guys are in northeastern Pennsylvania, it's an annual hunt. It's something that you guys can get in with next year, any year after. It'll be absolutely phenomenal. Lots of chances to win some guns. What did you get last year?
I won some calls, yeah.
Yeah, you got some calls. There was, we got hats. We got a ton of stuff.
Sure.
Just stick around with us. We're gonna get this bird registered. Get up there. They offer lunch too.
Yeah, we're gonna do lunch. It's gonna be a great time.
Feast. We'll show you around. Come on.
Well, guys, it's about 12:30. We just made it up here to the Nancy's Vision Youth Turkey Hunt. We're gonna get the kids weighed in here and see who else got some luck today.
Sweet.
Yeah.
All right.
Your last name?
B.
O-O-T.
Oh, somebody famous. H-S.
Maybe today, right?
So the left side.
Yep. Left spur.
15, 16.
Yeah. Yeah, when you need your 7/8.
No, quarter.
5/16 or
Quarter.
quarter? 10 1/4.
10 1/4.
7/8 on the right. Yep.
I'd go with that, yeah.
11 16, 7 11 16.
Just under.
By the time.
All right, so as you guys saw, we met up with my cousin Preston Booths. Him and our good friend Joey Zarichak got out that morning, and Joey put him on a beautiful bird. These boys did awesome that morning. Garrett's bird scored around 52, 50, around 50-ish, and Preston's was right at 55 there. So the winning bird that took home the prize was 65. So I would say these boys were up in the top 15. Awesome job. Congratulations to all the winners. Nancy's Vision is a event you don't want to miss next year. Pretty awesome. I look forward to it. They had awesome prizes, awesome community of people up there, very friendly atmosphere. You don't want to miss it, and it's all for a good cause, guys. So this concludes this video. Hope you enjoyed, and we look forward to getting out in the turkey woods this Saturday. So hopefully we get on some more turkeys for you guys. Stick around and stay tuned.